What is good, guys? Today I am going to be playing this basically this Toolbox Flyers deck. I think it could probably have a lot more upgrades to it. It's basically a Ikaria blue list, but less good. So this is I haven't been on YouTube quite a bit, but I have been playing casually quite a bit. I don't think I've made Masters since the last time I made a video, but that's not because of sucking. Maybe it is a little bit because of that, but it's also because like I haven't played a meta deck since like the first time I made Masters. I was playing Burn Queen, and that was right before Omens released, and then the second time it was when Kamato came out with Chalice, and I was playing Chalice around then. I would just like wreck the Chalice mirrors. So basically, yeah, this is I'm gonna mulligan this hand, but this is basically what the deck is these two cards. So I'm basically just searching stuff up and I'm playing it. I'm gonna redraw this. If I get ran over, I'm gonna get ran over. But see, this is much better. This has got a little bit early answers for aggro. Don't look like we're playing against aggro, but um, basically the goal of this deck to is this kind of a mana hungry deck, but only in situations. Basically, the goal is to play a Soulfire Drake, get it killed without being silenced. Well, that's freaking horrible. Play it before getting silenced, and then um, it dies, and then it gives all the other flyers in my whole deck haste. So, which is actually really good for what this deck's trying to do. That's basically the combo, though. So it looks like we're going to have to play... We're going to have to find a Harshal eventually, because if they're playing that out... So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for blue mana. Now, what you want to do with flyers is you put them back in the deck, always. Unless you can cast them immediately. Because we're playing so many searchers... We're playing out so many searchers that... it don't matter. Like I could have went and I can go get a hammer here, I guess too, because that's what the second part of this deck is like. It's kind of like got an armory sub theme to it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to play this out. Get this. So now we can pretty much do the combo that is play out this and go get chargers. I should have took a second to show you my flying package. It's not too epic, but like we got weapons in here too. So it's basically a toolbox deck, and that's why I call it the toolbox deck. Uh, I use blocking. I mean, he's probably holding up. He's probably holding up silence, right? So here's some of the package. Pretty spicy. I want to get this. And so he doesn't have. So he doesn't have a desert marshal. The only thing I regret in here is I don't have a Celestial Omen, because the Celestial Omen could. I screwed that up. I should have went and got mana. I screwed up. The next turn I'm coming down with this flyer here, and it should be. See, there's that. That's fine. No, see. So now I can't get mana. So I'm going to do this. Attack for 6. That's exactly what I want to happen. It really, truly is. That's not what I want to happen. So that's a dead card. So I can go draw 2. Look at that. Kill this. So basically I've ran this dude out of cards. Going down to 7's not awesome either. Hope he doesn't play a huge threat. There we go. I wanted to search these guys out though. Oh, I don't have my blue mana. This is fine. So I've played this suboptimally. You shouldn't watch me for my skills. You should only watch me for my memes. So now he's got a. Desert Marshal. If I attacked, yeah. Can't play the charge. I can play Akaria. So I think I get Akaria, and then I'm just going to play a weapon. Because if he does got Desert Marshal, he's probably going to pop it out now. Yeah, that's what I wanted to get out. So depending on what I get, if I get a blue mana, I'm going to do this. I don't have a kill spell for that. That is not good. But he has no mana. Oh, there's a Harsh Roll. Okay. He probably knows I have a Harsh Rule here. It's free damage it's 1 damage. Okay. There's really nothing else I can do because this is a dead card. Gosh, how? Okay. So if he hits me once, that's fine. Okay. Alright, what's the odds he's got an answer for that? I played this pretty poorly. That's what I thought. I didn't think he had an answer for it. Well, there you go. So that's the Toolbox deck. It's really a pretty fun deck. I don't know how long we've been going. I don't know how long that was. But I'll do a separate video for a deck tech here in a second. We'll go ahead and open these. And there's that. Oh yeah, we gotta open these too. And there we go. So that's the Toolbox deck. I'll do a deck tech for it and hope you check it out.